The sensor sits on the top of the resonance tube behind the throttle body. To gain access to it, you will first need to remove the engine cooling fans, the rear wing, taillights, rear bumper cover, and airbox. Please see our articles and videos by following the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. With everything removed, you can see the sensor behind the throttle body indicated by the red arrow. While it is possible to replace the sensor red arrow without removing the throttle body, if this is the first time you're doing it, I recommend removing the throttle body for better access. Just remember to replace the gasket when reinstalling. Again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. You will also need to do a partial engine drop to get clearance to remove the sensor. Again, please follow the link provided for additional assistance with that task. Use a pick and pull back on the red tab and then press down on the black tab and wiggle the sensor connection off, red arrow. The connection can get stuck on there. It helps to get the pick on the edge of the connector when pulling back. Do not pull the connection by the wires. With the engine partially dropped, you can access the single T30 torque screw on the top, red arrow. I removed the manifold for photographic purposes only so you can see what you will be doing. Insert the torque and remove the single screw. You can now wiggle and pull the sensor out. If you are reinstalling it, make sure to check the condition of the O-ring and replace it if needed, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.